Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today's adventure starts with a thrift find. A mini pottery wheel sitting on the shelf with a $9.50 price tag. Now, I've never been much of a potter, but for under $10, how could I pass it up? Worst case, it becomes parts for another build. Best case, I make a vase that belongs in an art gallery. Realistically, probably the first one. So I brought it home, plugged it in, and grabbed some oil clay I had laying around. Not exactly pottery clay, but hey, clay is clay, right? Wrong. It turns out oil clay and pottery wheels don't mix. Also, turns out I don't know a single thing about pottery wheels. But I do know 3D printing, and that's when an idea hit me. Remember those spin art machines Crayola made back in the day? I always wanted one of those as a kid. Well, this pottery wheel just volunteered. Here's what I came up with. I made a 4-piece surround ring that snaps together with magnets. The inside diameter is about 8 inches.
That's what she said.
Fits perfectly around the pottery wheel and keeps everything lined up. Plus, it breaks down for storage or cleaning. That's some pro-grade spin art engineering right there. Now for the fun part. The paper goes on, add a little bit of paint, and spool this thing up. Yeah, for my first attempt, it was a bit of a mess. But honestly, the first time doing anything is usually a bit sloppy. Let's try again. In my opinion, this is much better, and this is already way more fun than my clay disaster. I think I just unlocked a whole new career path. Thrift store spin artist. Paintings for sale, $9.49 each. 1 penny less than I paid for this wheel. So there you have it, a $9.50 pottery wheel that failed at being a pottery wheel, but found a new life as a do-it-yourself spin art machine. Sometimes the best projects come out of failed experiments. If you've enjoyed this one, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what would you have turned this into? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.